You started collecting customer feedback pre and post delivery with Omniconvert Reveal, and you'd like to trigger NPS alerts to your support team that is using Zendesk. Here's how to do this. We would need to have prepared your Omniconvert Reveal account, your Klaviyo account, and our help article Integrate Reveal with Zendesk through Klaviyo using NPS alerts. In Reveal, Omniconvert Reveal, we're gonna go to NPS alerts and we're gonna add a new condition. Keep in mind you can add as many new conditions as you'd like. These conditions will trigger alerts in Klaviyo, and with a flow that we're gonna create in Klaviyo, your support team will be receiving tickets in Zendesk. For each condition, you'd have to choose a name. I'm gonna leave ticket name in here for the purpose of this demonstration, but you could say something like post-delivery detractors or pre-delivery detractors, depending on the conditions that you'd like to set. In this example, I'm gonna leave all RFM groups and I'm gonna go for post-delivery NPS. And I'm gonna select detractors, which are scores from 0 to 6. Because I want to receive alerts just for post-delivery NPS detractors, I will leave the NPS pre-delivery scores on any. If I would select anything in here, then only customers that would have both conditions in the same time would be the ones that would actually trigger an event. I'm gonna select the interval starting last 7 days. I'm gonna want to include RFM group tag, NPS tag, and order attribute tag. And I'm gonna go with the provider Klaviyo. I'm gonna set my email address in here for now. And I'm gonna save. I'm gonna need to be patient for up to 24 hours for this event to be set and triggered into Klaviyo so we can create our flow. So 24 hours passed. Going into Klaviyo, we're gonna create a new flow. We're gonna create from scratch and we're gonna say Zendesk alerts. Create the flow. As flow trigger, we're gonna go with metric. And remember, I left in Reveal ticket name as the name of this set of conditions. That's what I'm gonna be looking for, and here it is. This is what's gonna trigger my flow. Done. And then I'm gonna take an email. I wanna configure this email. Don't forget to configure the subject and then choose text only. And this is where we're gonna need our help article. We're gonna scroll down because we've already gone through these steps. And we're gonna go to this part where we have the copy paste the events that you'd like to introduce in the body email from the lines below. You have above all these events explained. So what we're gonna do now is just select from here what we'd like to copy. I actually want to have everything, so I'm gonna select everything, copy, go into that Klaviyo email, and I'm gonna paste using Ctrl-Shift-V to ensure I'm gonna keep my formatting. Formatting is very important for this comma. That can really mess things up if it's not the exact one that needs to be there. And of course you can edit a bit this the look of this email. Basically the email would be how the ticket will be sent into Zendesk. So you can edit this however you'd like, and when you're done just save the content. Great. Now after you save the content, go back. You're done. Make sure you disable the smart sending and you put it on off. because alerts might be coming really fast one after the other, and they're all going to go to the same email address. So we don't want Klaviyo to stay and prevent this from happening and only let a few emails go to that email address in Zendesk. And next up, we're gonna set the email live, update action statuses, live and update. Great. What we need to do now is go to your Zendesk account, go to channels, email, and then copy the address that you found in there in the description of the support addresses. Go to reveal and paste this that email address in here. And that's it.